it could be something like this. I'm sorry, I don't know what I'm doing. This is all new to me. I'm just having a good time in quarantine. Hello, my friends. Thank you for showing up. Welcome to Unboxing the Trash, the show where I turn the box of trash I was storing in my closet and make it into art. You know what? Let me rephrase that. It sounded a little sad. This is the show where I take the box of crafts that I did not finish, which appeared to be trash in my closet. Well, technically is trash until I finished the crafts. And today we are finishing my puppets. I started making a puppet, and then I put a box of foam in my closet. But we're gonna do something productive with this foam. It took me about 2 days. This is technically a tutorial. It is how you could make a puppet. It is not how you should make a puppet. I am not a professional. I am not good at this, but I wanted to try. I wanted to practice, and I wanted to get the fucking box of shit in my closet out of my closet, and I felt bad just throwing all this foam and felt and yarn and thread away. So we have to do it. We have to tackle these projects. We have to tie up these loose ends before we start new ends. That didn't make sense, but you get what I'm saying. I take you now to a week ago. What's up, party people? Yeah, let's get into making some puppets. I've got what appears to be a puppet profile. Put this together so it looks more like this. And then I'm gonna put both pieces together and I should have a fully realized face. We're gonna do my favorite thing in the world, which is threading a needle. I'm gonna turn on some My Hero Academia and I'm just gonna do what it do, baby. You know what I'm saying? And it is time to put the flesh together, the skeleton, the puppet exoskeleton. We're gonna use some hot glue and then we're going to put this newly sewn skin on top. So we're gonna give this profile some this. Okay, we're gonna get back to watching anime and putting together my new friend. So your boy is taking a break from making things. As you can see here, unagi don, grilled eel, rice, some radish, some pickles. I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna drink a beer, and then I'm gonna get back to work. Okay, treat yourself. Treat yourself! Only if you worked. Don't treat yourself if you haven't done anything to deserve it. So this thing has some skin, and I have moved on to Sex and the City. For some reason, is it even a good TV show? But this is what we have here. But we're gonna get some mouth plates in, we're gonna get some eyes, nose, face, hair, and then art. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, kids. That's how you make art. That's how you be iconic. She knows. Yeah, that's right. What are you looking at? Hey. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to work. Or maybe I'm just gonna play some Animal Crossing and get back to this tomorrow.
Hey. How y'all doing?
So we've got this little motherfucker. I'm sorry. You don't deserve that. I took her skin off. I traced the shape of the mouth on here. Boop, boop. I cut out that tracing with this stuff. It's sticky on one side. I'm gonna put them here. So then it's one shape and I can cut one shape out that bends and I can attach it to Miss Lady Puppet's mouth. Actually, I don't know if it's gonna be a lady. I don't know if it's gonna have a gender at all. I just know she gonna have a mouth. When I get a little further, we will check in with you. We will check in with you. Is that right? Okay. Me and my friends.
I got some teeth going on my mouth. I got the teeth for my mouth, for the chewing and the eating and the teeth, but I ain't got no eyes.
So that's what we're gonna work on next. After that wonderfully entertaining adventure that I took you on, I wanna introduce you to someone. This is, I don't know, she doesn't, they don't have a name or a voice. It could be something like this, like, yeah, my name's Kevin, yeah, I'm a dinosaur, whatever. It's like, not a big deal, whatever, but like, today's my birthday, and this accent's probably terrible. So it doesn't have to be that. It could be something like this. I'm sorry. I don't know what I'm doing. This is all new to me. I'm just having a good time in quarantine. If you have any suggestions for names, voices, personality traits, a backstory for this person, this puppet, put it in the comments below. I'm very excited. I want all of your suggestions. Tell me about a family life. Do they have children? Are they a child? Clearly needs braces. Are they even human? Who knows? You get to decide. I will see you on the next episode of Unboxing the Trash. And I think we're going to be painting some boots. That sounds fun, right? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, please like, and please come back.